Hi guys, this is my first video unboxing. I've opened this. This is actually, well, half open to see what it was. This is actually from fgnormal, which is a cross stitch and a paint by number. I actually ordered this 29th January and it just came, well, today, filming me up, is the 1st of March. It's my second order from fgnormal, first cross stitch, but my first one came within 3 days. It was fast. So I thought, oh, it'll be good, but they took ages to ship this one. I think I had to email, and they shipped it apparently on the 6th of February, and I waited. It just sat with ready to ship from then. I think it was the 24th of February is when it started moving, and I just got it today, so I don't know. So we will see. This is the cross stitch. I'm not sure. Got a few needles actually. Yeah. And stitch picker. I actually don't have one of these. A thimble thing for your finger. This is actually quite good. This is for your floss. Thimble thread picker. Actually, I don't have one of these. Oh. This is thimble thing. Stop even pricking yourself. I rarely do actually prick myself. I have not seen a threader like this to help you thread your needle. That's interesting. What's this? 5 needles stuck in a pom-pom. It's kind of cute actually. Yeah. Pattern. Oh, there we go, it's bigger. Because I'm not sure if I am skilled enough. It's family forever, for always, no matter what. So new, I'm actually waiting. It's coloured canvas. It's reasonable. And floss. I'm not doing that because I'll make nice. This should be paint my number. Should. It's a bit squished. There is a tube, but you can actually iron. Put nice numbered colour stickers on the colours. Looks quite. That's what it's supposed to be. And then your standard set of brushes. It's not too big a canvas actually, which is probably quite good. Oh, and yes, we do have a reference sheet. And it's not very big, but I kind of like that actually. I think it will need a bit of an iron. It's fine. So yeah, this is my first video.